In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert handwriting to text in OneNote. If you take handwritten notes in OneNote, you can quickly turn them into editable and searchable typed text using the built-in ink-to-text feature. This is a great way to organize your notes, improve readability, and make information easier to find later. Okay, let's get started. First, open OneNote and go to the page that contains your handwritten notes. Next, click the Draw tab at the top of the screen. This is where all the inking and handwriting tools are located. Now look for the Lasso Select tool in the toolbar. Click it to activate the selection tool. Once selected, use your mouse, stylus, or finger to draw around the handwriting you want to convert. Make sure the entire handwritten section is included in the selection. Try to avoid selecting nearby typed text or extra drawings for the best results. After selecting the handwriting, go back to the Draw tab. Now click the Ink to Text button. OneNote will process the handwriting and automatically convert it into typed text. In just a few seconds, your handwritten notes become clean, editable text directly on the page. You can now edit the text, resize it, copy it, or search for it later, just like regular typed notes. This feature is especially useful for class notes, meeting notes, brainstorming sessions, or quickly digitizing handwritten ideas. And that's how to convert handwriting to text in OneNote. Using the ink-to-text feature can help make your notes more organized, searchable, and easier to manage without manually retyping everything yourself.